Namaskar. Over the time, many great sages, saints, and ascetics have taken birth in this world, who have gifted the best teachings, knowledge, books, and strategies to the humankind. Acharya Shukradev is believed to be the one of the great sages of all time and the guru of the demons. Mahatma Vidur, Acharya Chanakya, and King Bhartrihari are also well-known sages who are remembered for their teachings. In all their teachings, they have described the signs of foolish man, how a foolish man is female dissolute, how he is humiliated again and again in the world by his own foolish attitude, and he can never achieve success in his whole life. A foolish person may consider himself as a knowledgeable and intelligent person, but the whole world considers him as a lowly and foolish man, and no one respects him. In this video, I will tell you about a man who is the biggest fool, and there is no limit of his stupidity. If such science lies in a man, then he should immediately give up his bad qualities. But all great knowledgeable persons have also said that such a man will never accept his foolishness. Even if you make him understand a thing million times, he will do it what he has to do, and he will never listen. That is why you should never try to explain right things to a foolish person. But on the other hand, a wise man must listen to the sage's teachings carefully, so that he never behaves foolishly even by mistake. So let me tell you the characteristics of a fool person mentioned in the teachings. Agyah sukamaradhyah Sukatara maradhyate visheshagyah Jnanal vadur vidagdham Brahmapitam naram naranjeti. In this verse of Niti Shatakam, it is said that an uneducated man can be brought back to the right path by making some efforts. An intelligent man will accept the truth immediately, but it is useless to explain to a foolish person. Even Lord Brahma is unable to convince him. It means if a man is half educated and he has half knowledge, irrespective of the subject, and if you try to tell him the truth by every possible way, he will simply neglect you and he will continue to say his own truth. It is impossible to make him understand anything. That is why he is considered as a fool. It is better to walk away from him. Prasaya mani muddharen, makar vaktra danshtantarat, samudrapi santaret, prachala durmi mala kulam, bhujangam api kopitam, Shirsi Pushtapavadharayet, Natu Pratinivishta Murkhajana, Chitta Maradhayet. In this verse, it is stated that if a person wants, he can remove the pearl from the bottom of the mouth of the fierce crocodile. He can swim through the sea with the fierce waves. He can wear a poisonous snake full of anger on his head. But he can't separate the foolish person from his foolishness, whose mind is trapped in the discrete. Which means, if a foolish man wants to do something which is wrong, or have a man in his mind, then no one can stop him and make him understand that this is wrong. He will never listen to you. Thus in the Niti Shatakam, the signs of foolish person have been described, but it is also described that if a foolish man wants to get respect in the society, what should he do? What actions he should take? Let me tell you how a foolish person can get respect. Swayattame kanta gunam vidhatra vinirmittam chhadanamaggyatayaha visheshatah sarva vidam samaje vibhushanam monam panditanam. According to this verse, every human being has an ability to remain silent. The creator of the world has gifted it to cover the ignorance of a person. A foolish person can use this weapon of silence if he is present in the gathering of intelligent people. Which means, if a fool person sits silently in the meeting of intelligent people and listens carefully to others for a long time, then everyone considers him a worthy person. In this way, a fool can also get respect by staying silent. So friends, these are some teachings from ancient Hindu scriptures. What do you think about fools? Let us know in comments. If you found this video useful, please like and share and subscribe to our channel.